Yo, Devo the Ambivert, the BS is cooked like ham and jerky. I'm about to react to two quarantine challenge videos, man. Locksmith issued a quarantine challenge. He released a song called Quarantine. He bodied that joint. He murked that joint. You know what I mean? He brought forth dope rhyme schemes, heavy wordplay. The flow was you know what I mean? The flow was tight. You know what I mean? Like Locksmith has been killing beats for years, bro. Like Locksmith is one of the best rappers alive, bro. No cap. And I appreciate Lock for issuing another challenge. You know what I'm saying? The quarantine. You know what I mean? Everybody or a lot of people. I think a lot of people were asking him to about. You know what I mean? If about like issuing another challenge or whatever, and he issued the quarantine joint. You know what I mean? So you know what I mean. A lot of people, or you know what I mean. I don't know how many people participated, but you know what I mean. A certain amount of people participated in this challenge. You know what I mean. I'm one of those people. I have a challenge video. I have a challenge video on my channel. I'm gonna put the link to that in the description too. You know what I mean. Check that out if y'all want to. You know what I'm saying. And let me know what you think. But yeah, bro, we're gonna check out the Blindsight Quarantine challenge, and we're gonna check out the April G Showers joint. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what they coming with though. Shout out to my man Blindsight and shout out to my sis April, man. But before we get into this, man, if y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. When y'all hit that bell, y'all will receive all the notifications as far as the future vids I will come out with. Let's get right into it. See what they coming with. Blindsight. Blindsight. His grind is, I rock with his grind heavy. He be always putting out stuff. Behaving, Haven, Laden, Choice. I was annoyed. Concentrate on the stakes of the void. Y'all rappers spending more time in your lives than on your verses. I get through the surface. I purposely put all this weight on my shoulders. Rather be fed and wear red as a poster. Y'all out here fucking these bitches raw dogs and put on a mask and fear of that roller. Man, they be bugging. Feeding itself, I don't feed in itself. Know the methods. I kept my composure and focus. Ay, put it on display and expand some. Ay, stick all the messages for randoms. Ay, and all of these celebrities telling me I should stay home when they tweet from a mansion. Ay, let me quarantine in peace. Let me pour it in my speech. I was born up in the beast. I don't fall off. Take the agony and grief, put it back up in the streets. Make an album in a week. I'm a ball hog. Let me log off. That's another jaw drop. Leave me right your girl. She go suck a nigga log off. Get the fuck away. If you wheeze, have a small golf. Y'all soft. That's the definition of a boss, y'all. I've been making provisions. I take a rapper's ambitions and lay flat on this ass. Yeah, I reacted to this already, and I broke down the bars in my reaction video, so I'm not really breaking down the bars in this. I didn't know Blindsight was gonna have Lock on here before him, but yeah, this is a nice video for sure. It's like you think like Lock, like you, it makes you think like that he collab, like he actually collab with Lock. You know what I mean? On this beat. It's, yeah, this video, the visuals are nice though. You know what I mean? It's like he's inside, but it's like out. It's like it's blending like the outside and the inside. He's inside, but there's like, bro. My man Blindsight in his chopper bag. He won. This man Blindsight. He going, man. He got in his chopper bag. You dig? My man Blindsight. Blindsight is talented, bro. People's fading is crucial that I survive. It's freedom, a way of life. It's simple, no suit and ties with official. I still provide a condition. I hope beside these broken eyes. I'm tugging this rope. Pressure building to grow. Slippery slope. Not till my throat choke. Blind as a foe. I'm underground and I'm still fighting to get at my heart. Pounding adrenaline. Fight till I back down. But never will I give up. Drowning out to sound around me. Power to sour. Cowardice. Cheek challenge. Every time to defeat. Rally your beast. Thinking about making pounds out of sight as we feast. Your iced out. I'm a balcony sweet. Sweeter than sugar. Vanilla sour. Stole this out. Milk your cow for its cheese. I'm taking. This man's mask is hard though. I ain't gonna cut. I ain't gonna front. What do you say, sweeter than sugar? Certain parts I can't make up. He said he underground and still fighting, you feel me? You know what I mean? Like, I feel like this dude deserves more recognition, I ain't gonna lie, cause he be getting busy though, you know what I'm saying? He really gets busy, like no gassing, bro. Like he really is fire, bro. But in this particular joint, like certain parts I can't make up, you know what I mean? Cheese money, you know what I'm saying? I think that was a double cheese money, but cheese the food. He said something about milk, cheese, like that whole dairy scheme. Pounds feast, I think. The whole scheme, bro. The animal scheme. Fighting pound, like boxing scheme. Beast pound feet. That's it, my guy. Ah. Yeah, I spoke too soon, my guy. Cause he stopped for a second. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. If y'all like that joint, comment, subscribe, show that man some love. Tell him Devo the Amberverse sent you. You know what I'm saying? We finna get into April's joint, man. We're gonna see what she coming with. Blindsight did his thing on that joint.
Shout out Locksmith. Let's go.
Yeah, she said she's not a writer or an artist, you know what I'm saying? Or she is a writer, but she's not an artist. You know what I'm saying? She said she's a writer, not an artist. And I like as far as me, I'm aware. I'm very aware that she's a writer. She's a dope writer. She is an incredible writer. You know what I mean? She's top tier. You know what I mean? As far as writing, she's deep with it. She's enlightening. She's intelligent, bro. You know what I mean? She knows that she's not an artist or a rapper or anything. Like you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? Like, if people say that her rapping sucks or whatever, it's like she's not gonna, you know what I mean, entertain that, or she's not gonna, you know what I mean, like really pay attention to that, because it's like she already knows she's not good, or she already knows she's not a rapper or an artist, so you know what I mean. But she's intelligent, bro. She's a deep writer, bro. Her writing is deep. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to that Crip joint, bro. That Crip hoodie is fire, bro. That Crip hoodie is raw, bro. I ain't gonna front. That joint clean. Shout out to Crip. Shout out to, you know what I mean? Shout out to Crip's family, man. Mama C, all of them, bro, over there, bro. They dope, bro.
I used to live in the poor pitiful me mentality.
she focusing on the good. You know what I mean?
Quarantine
She
bars,
got a
Locksmith
positive
challenge.
outlook on
Shout
life.
out
You know what I'm
Locksmith.
saying?
Let's go.
She focused on the positive more than the negative.
I used to live in the poor, pitiful me
Yeah.
mentality. And all I ever fucking got was negativity. But I began to focus on the good rather than strife. And that is when I saw a change in my life. Life is hard for us all, but it's up to us to grow or fall.
That's
For what
facts.
you dwell on, what you get in return.
That's how you react.
So focus on the good and be willing to learn. Once you do that, the biggest gift you'll find. And that gift is called fucking peace of mind. So when that bullshit pity tries to resurface, give it to God and just remember your purpose.
I see you with the double rhyming. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Yo, she having fun with this. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to her, man. Yeah, bro. She was speaking real, bro. It wasn't real, like intricate or anything like that, but she was just spitting real. You know what I mean? Just upliftment bars. You know what I mean? If y'all like that, comment, subscribe. Tell April Devo sent you over there, man. I'm about to get up out of here, man. Let this phone charge. One love to the family of DTA. Elevation before. No GTA. I'm gone. One.